Hashem, c'est Shabbos. Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
Here we are. I want to make onion kugel. Maybe with a little twist, but we'll have some fun. So of course you need a lot of onions for onion kugel. I have 3 different onions over here. I have a Spanish onion, I have the Vidalia onions, I have a white onion. I'm even going to use these little mini cute onions. And then we are going to use a pastry dough. First things first, heat up your pan. You're going to saute the onions. Now, we have to saute these onions for a very, very long time, an hour and a half to 2 hours on a low flame. Now, to dice your onions up, always make sure you have a sharp knife. And to get a nice little dice, here we go. Don't go all the way through, so your onion stays together. All right? And then this is the way we do it. Got 1, not all the way through. 2, 3, 4, and then you just go on top of it. Caja. Watch this. Fingers like this. You don't want to cut your fingers. Look at that. Look at that dice. You see that? Look how easy that is. You need a good knife. You need a sharp knife. Sharp knives will cut your vegetables, not your fingers. It doesn't slip. All right. Okay, that's a little sizzle. Try not to cut your fingers. I've done that before. It's not fun, it's painful. Any units next to Fishley Boulevard? That's perfect.
I'm too old for this stuff.
It's all good, don't worry about it. You're not gonna get your face. Come around. Put your bag down over here. You need some, you have some 4x4s? Okay, good. How am I gonna do this? We'll figure it out? Okay. I got these little cutie pies as well. Now this is a pain in the whatever to peel. So let me show you a little trick how to peel these very quickly, very easily. Take off the ends. We're gonna pop it into hot water for like a minute, then strain it, and the whole onion is gonna pop out of the peel. This water is starting to boil. One great thing for Shulam Bayis, always clean up your mess, okay? You make a mess at home, clean up. It's a little tip, I know this little tip. Okay, so in the meantime, I need a minute on that. I'm gonna add my spices, salt, pepper, brown sugar. Simple, easy schmeezy. Strainer. Okay. A little cold water, you want to cool it off. Here we go, let me show you how to do this. Takes 2 seconds. Boom, look, 1. You see how easy that is? 2. It's burning my hands now. I'll make believe it's not hot. I got these onions. I'm going to show you in a minute what to do with them. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so look what happens after 2 hours. Look at this. Got beautiful color. All those onions that was up to here. Let's strain this. So I'm gonna let this sit a little bit. In the meantime, we're gonna get the dough ready. So you can buy any puff pastry dough if you don't want to make your own dough. Of course, I got the Geffen one. How'd you guess? It's a long roll. I took it out of the freezer overnight. Left it in the fridge. Look how beautiful. I'm gonna cut this right here. All right. That's what I'm talking about. There's the onions. Right in here. Take 1 egg. Now you want to make sure that your onions are not too hot when you put your egg in, otherwise you'll get scrambled eggs. You know what I'm saying? You'll have Eierspeisen. And I think that might be happening right now. Now you start rolling. You didn't have to make it very tight. These onions are a little too hot. I should have waited a little longer, but I didn't. I'm gonna roll it in a little bit. And when you get to the end, just try to pull it over. Take your pan. This is gonna be a little tricky because it's a little hot and I don't know if I'll be able to pick it up. It's not gonna work. Okay, it did work. 1 second, don't worry guys, it's all gonna be good. I'm not losing anything. I'll show you the final product, you'll see it's delicious. It'll be beautiful. Okay, now, I take my little mini onions. Look, I'm gonna cover all that stuff, all over the place. If you have a little extra of the dough, you can cut them up, cover it up, put it around over here. Now we have a little egg wash. I don't know, I don't have any jokes for onion kugel. Anybody have any jokes for onion kugel? Zwiebelkugel is square, Zwiebelkugel is like a zoibi. Zwiebelkugel is a zoibi, nice. I don't have any jokes. What's onion kugel without minced onions, right? All right, here we go. Add some minced onions. I like to add some sesame seeds on top. Put this in the oven for around an hour on 350. You'll thank me later. Just remember, when you do prepare it, make sure your onions are not hot. You want to be able to pick that up nicely and put it right into your pan. Wasn't so hot. Mamish. Smells delicious. Super excited. I know I should really taste this right now. Making l'chaim first. I think it's gonna go well together. Let's cut in. Take out a nice little piece. Beauty. Woo! See my little onions right there? Hot. I love it. All I can say is, Baruch Hashem is Shabbos. Like for real. I think we should start eating this all week. I don't know, why do we only keep this for Shabbos? And you know what? These skvira guys, they know what they're doing. They know what good food is, because it's really, really good. L'chaim l'vracha, and until next episode, l'chaim.
Uri Hashem se Shabbos.